So I've just been taste testing the Jason sourdough bread and original Ramona's hummus, heavenly hummus, in previous video. If you want the lowdown on Ali Kit Kat's taste buds on these two, check previous video. But now let's try Sainsbury's fruit. So yeah, I got this from Little Sainsbury's. We've got blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. Boom, let's crack these open as well. A wow and a swirl. Now I might bung these into a bit of a smoothie as well. Ooh, nice. Such a pretty colour, isn't it? A blueberry. It's like a gothic blue. It's kind of cool looking. It's kind of like a dark purple, gothic blue, black blue, mesmerising colour. If you actually look at it, it's kind of like powdery as well. So, these are nice enough. They're not that sweet. They've got a good texture. And they're good fun to eat. They've got bigger ones and littler ones in here. It's like a combination of a family of blueberries. Nice. Onto the raspberries. Whoa, these are looking kind of big. Okay, that's what they look, and furry. They are pretty, aren't they? That colour is so delightful. I mean, that raspberry colour for a lipstick or some blusher would be pretty delightful. Look how pretty the colour is. Let's give it a bash. It's massive and furry. So much fun. Whoa. Okay. They're not that sweet, but it could be the time of year because we're still wintering. They're slightly bitter. I mean, so are the blueberries. They're quite furry, but they're nice. I mean, who sells a lip colour the colour of a raspberry? It's dead pretty, isn't it? I can't even, like, you could like squish some of this and put it on your cheeks and lips. Don't know. Bit of a raspberry glow. Blow a raspberry on someone. Anyway, yeah, they're decent enough. They're alright, they are. Now on to the strawberries. Now usually, I guess it depends time of year. Sainsbury's strawberries are usually decent in flavour. Oh, look at these ones. The shape is pretty radical. Such a pretty red. I've seen quite a lot of bigger strawberries lately in the supermarkets. Why is that? Go. Quite firm, not too squishy. Let's try another. They're decent. The taste on these ones are a little sweeter than the Marks and Spencer's ones I tried the other day. Like their red, like I tried their white ones, which doesn't taste of anything much. But I also tried their red ones the other week. These ones do have a bit more of a sweetness compared to the ones I tried the other week. Look at this one. They're Long John strawberries. I'm going to call this one Long John. You know what I love wearing in winter? Long Johns, thermal underwear. They're decent enough. They're not overly sweet, like majorly sweet, but they do have a little bit of sweetness. But yeah, I love wearing long johns and like that skiing underwear. First of all, it's super comfy. It does the trick. Keeps you warm. You can wear them under almost anything. Super comforting. Plus, I wear them out on the street. Like, you know, those like thermal underwear tops and vests. They look really like nice with your little outfits, and you can layer them up or layer them down.